Hey everyone, I am excited to share about two products that I love. The price point is fantastic and they are part of my daily self-care routine. I actually keep both of them on my bedside table. They are wonderful. So this is the Norwex Body Balm. It's so good. And then we have the Rescue Gel. These are great for anyone with aches and pains, right? And anyone with dry skin who needs to freshen, soften, soothe their skin naturally. So we're going to use the Body Balm first. I love it. It is definitely a game changer for dry, cracked heels. It is a rich, multi-purpose balm. It's your go-to solution for anything dry and rough on your body. Any dry, rough skin, whether it is the cracked heels, the rough elbows, maybe even dry cuticles, the balm is designed to work really well with the skin. It's packed with lots of nourishing ingredients, which makes it so good for us, like the organic shea butter, sunflower seed oil, beeswax. All of these types of ingredients, they penetrate the skin deeply, leaving the skin very soft and smooth. Plus, the Body Balm also has spearmint and orange peel oils, so it also rejuvenates the skin and provides an uplifting aroma without being overpowering, to the point where my 16-year-old football playing son likes to use it too. All right, one of the things I love the most about the Body Balm is that it's versatile. It's thicker than your typical creams, definitely safer, it lasts longer, and it's perfect for daily use. My daughter had one of these when my youngest granddaughter was a baby and would get diaper rashes often. She had one dedicated as a butt cream for babies, which is fantastic. This is also great if you need a quick fix for razor burn or maybe even sunburn, even bug bites. It works great on as well. Here's a little hack for you. Apply it to your cuticles, even your flyaway hairs, for some extra nourishment. And because it's made with certified organic ingredients, you can feel great about using it on yourself, but also anyone in your family who might have some issues, right? So now we're going to talk about the Rescue Gel. The Rescue Gel, I love. I use the Rescue Gel multiple times a day. I apply it to sore muscles on the back of my neck. I also get migraines, so I will apply it directly to my temples. It's great when you need a quick relief from tension, headaches, things like that. The gel is infused with a blend of natural botanicals, including Arnica, great for bruises, Devil's Claw, Aloe Vera, all which are known for their soothing and calming properties. And what sets this apart, I like the rollerball too, is that it has a dual action formula. So it provides a cooling sensation thanks to the menthol and the camphor, while the organic rosemary and sage oils invigorate the skin and senses. It's perfect, I can't stress this enough, for easing the tension, headaches, tension, pain all throughout the shoulders. I also have 2 herniated discs. Cortisone shots never worked well for me. The herniated disc produced a problem with my sciatica. So I will rub this along the back of my spine, all down the back here, down the back of my leg, and it works wonders. I have customers who have messaged me about this, saying how they haven't been able to find relief for their back pain or sciatica in forever, and this is working really well for them. Plus, it's just a nice scent that anyone in the house can use, that isn't too florally, if that's a word, but it really does provide a lot of versatile use for all the problems. I like also taking it when I travel on airplanes. I normally get really stuffy, so it's nice to have that. You can either smell it or rub it directly on your temples. And there's no mess. Like you can see, I just applied that. There's no mess at all. It absorbs really well into the skin. So if you're looking for some natural and effective ways to care for your skin, relieve stress, deal with some of the aches and pains, the Body Balm and the Rescue Gel are must-haves. As I mentioned, the price point's awesome. They last forever. You'll definitely want to give them a try. This works fantastic for bug bites. So my husband got bit by a spider not too long ago, right on his stomach, and it swelled up really big, was super itchy. And we used the Rescue Gel on that bite, and it calmed it down. It calmed down the redness, and then he reapplied it as needed throughout the evening. So really good, versatile products that'll be great, not only on your bedside table, but your medicine cabinet as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys really soon.